Hello friends, welcome to Arshid Stock Business News. And friends, today we are going to see a fresh stock in our channel, which is like Dynamatic Technologies. So, why I am doing this stock means company products looking good, but present valuation a little cautious. See, why I am telling this means just 6 months. In past 6 months, it given 249% returns. So that is why where I mention you like little cautious before results. So why I mentioned clearly before results means you already know that whenever a company which gives past huge rally after results, if results are average, below average, worst, these three cases, even average also stop going to fall and profit booking. Don't love a company. That's the main reason we have to take after investing with a huge rally. Even if you see 3 months duration, it given a extraordinary rally. So if you see here from August onwards, June first week, so 1500, 3000, 100% returns. So likewise, why I am telling means it's a good one. So the company is a global supplier of the parts to aerospace, automotive, hydraulic and security assemblies. So major thing why we have to book profit before results means if you observe here the company financials. So it's a very less operating revenue company, one thing. And next thing is negative net profit TTM and negative net profit margins up to now. So profit growth also is not that much attractive. And next, if you see here, so it doesn't given still breakout. So this is 365 crores in 2018. uh, After that a slight drops are going on in the company and share price also. After that June 2020, like COVID, so it posted 192. From there it starts giving slow improvement in their margins, like total revenue. But if you observe net profits, still there is no that much worth in net profits. So if there is no net profits, how the share will rally and how the share will give that much extraordinary run. That's my main reason. So it is getting orders. Just I seen like 2 3 orders itself. I didn't see much orders for this company. uh, Today it got one deal, so let me check. So if you want to check the news about all those things about the company, just type this and go to news. So here you will get the latest updates about the company. So if you observe here, 2 weeks back, Simply Wall Street posted a video. So uh, next one, investor more bullish on this stock. Yeah, they are bullish, but in between they books profit also. Retail investors going to stuck. So dynamic to manufacture aerostructure assemblies. So okay. So today that is the reason main that stock rallied. So see here, no much deals for the company in the past months are past. So see here. So Dynamic Tech zooms 31% in 2 days after HNS buys stock. So this is one news, like Madhu Sudan Kalle bought. So maybe this is the one reason of how the stock moved 31% in 2 days of 1600. Maybe it is around 1300 below, but still numbers turnaround is very important. So one thing what I want to share you is friends. So see here, Dynamic Technologies zooms 20% as 4% equity changes hands block via block deal. So that person bought, right? So that is, so market business profit booking small and mid caps under pressure. So today, so underperform today news. So Dynamic Technologies completes Airbus flap uh, track beam assemblies order, stock jumps 5% 1 month ago. So these are the deals. So see here, these are the deals which the company is getting. So I am not telling like it's not a good company. What I mean to say is the present stock which is trading value, the value is overvaluating about the stock. So if the results will be like any up and downs or any uh, thing are there, it will fall drastically. So RSI indicating also above 80. So it's all the main things we have to consider. And one thing is like friends, if results, so maybe next quarter it will result, next month, like it will post the results. So if you observe results a little bit up and downs, so we are going to see further fall. So before results, if you pick book profit, next what happens? So after results, the company announce its results. If results matches to the rally of the stock, it will sustain there itself. So it will maintain this 3000 level for some days, some for months. So it given like a huge rally, right? It doesn't take another big rally with sudden movements again. So up to that, what happens means on hope of good results going forward, it given good rally. So that's how friends. So please take some cautious. So whenever if you observe like some selling on the stock, like this type of sellings, so like 3 day sellings continuously, we may have to consider. So if you are still good at technical analysis, take weekly charts, then you will get good view on the stock and you are going to take a final decision. So here as per still weekly charts, it is bullish only. So that's how. So we are, it's not a problem at all to book profit in dynamic technology. So if you see some negative like 1 week like this, so next week also it will showing some bearishness on the stock. So we have to take some cautiousness. So likewise friends, we have to analyze. And after results, if it sustain above good levels, then we again take our positions as usual. So as a retailers, we didn't have much capacity. It has to if you, results like what you say, అటు ఇటు అని అంటారు తెలుగులో. Like if is like that, then you are going to see a big fall in this company share. So please take some care about the data dynamics. And next thing is uh, so next we are going to see the company debit, which is a main thing to analyze a stock. So that's why we are going to see dynamic technologies. So which is a good one, but present valuation little bit cautious. We have to maintain about the stock. See here, debit is also there. So sales growth, if you see here, sales growth is not that much good. And these ROC, these things also will be above 15 14, those looks good, so in my view. So let's see how it will post its quarterly results in coming days. So then we can decide how it will perform going forward. So thank you friends, thank you very much. And if you like our videos, please subscribe my channel and share my channel friends. Thank you.